Welcome to Brain Vision.
To begin the problem, let's recall what differentiability is. So recall differentiability is a local property. So it means that the differentiability at x comma y just depends upon how the function behaves on a neighborhood of that point x comma y. So I have the function f of x comma y is equal to 1 plus y divided by 1 plus x, and the point is 1 comma 3. The f is well defined and differentiable at a neighborhood of 1 comma 3. So we have to find a neighborhood of 1 comma 3. So we can simply take the neighborhood 0 comma 2, then cross with 2 comma 4. So observe 1 comma 3 belongs to this neighborhood 0 comma 2 cross 2 comma 4. Okay, so now we have to find the partial derivative. So let's find the partial derivative. Delta f delta x at 1 comma 3 is going to be delta of 1 plus y divided by 1 plus x, then delta of delta x. So I have to treat my y as a constant, so that's why I put it in the parenthesis. So this is going to be negative 1 plus y divided by 1 plus x whole square, and I have to evaluate it at 1 comma 3. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3, so negative 4 divided by, so 1 plus 1 is 2, so 2 squared is 4, so negative 1. So let's compute delta f delta y at 1 comma 3, because that's the point we are interested in. So this is going to be delta of delta y of 1 plus y divided by 1 plus x at 1 comma 3. Again, now I have to treat x as a constant, so this is going to be simply 1 divided by 1 plus x at 1 comma 3. So 1 divided by 1 plus 1, so is equal to half. So that's my delta f delta y. And what is my f of x comma y at 1 comma 3? So this is going to be 1 plus 3 divided by 1 plus 1, so 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So next let's find the linearization. So the linearization of f, let's recall, this is f of x comma y plus delta f delta x at x comma y times x minus x plus delta f delta y at x comma y times y minus y. So we have x comma y is equal to 1 comma 3. So the linearization is going to be, so what was my f of 1 comma 3? F of 1 comma 3 is 2. So this is going to be 2 plus delta f delta x at 1 comma 3 was, let me go back, so that was negative 1. So this is going to be negative 1 times x minus 1 plus, and delta f delta y was half. So half x, excuse me, so this is going to be y minus 3. So let me just write down it a better form. So 2 minus x minus 1 plus half of y minus 3. So 2 minus x plus 1 plus half of y minus 3 over 2. So it is 3. So 3 over 2 minus x plus half of y. Okay, so that's the solution.